Hi, it's Gina from WTI. Do you use your car trunk as a second closet like I do? Then you need to check out this GEEDAR trunk organizer. It has made sense of all the chaos that I normally have happening in my trunk. It's so handy that it comes with 3 compartments, but then actually they send dividers for it too so that you can make those into smaller areas in case you need that. My husband's favorite feature is the removable cooler, and I find it really convenient as well, especially when I'm shopping and I have things that need to stay cold on our drive home. But my husband loves it because he loves ice cold drinks. The cooler fits quite a bit. Now, just for size comparison, I have put in a 12 pack of his favorite energy drinks to show you how much room it has. You can pack quite a bit into this. One of the other things I really like about this trunk organizer is that it has Velcro on the bottom. So it's not shifting around while I'm driving. We have a Nissan Sentra sedan and it fits perfectly right in the back of that. What I do appreciate though is if you have a larger car or truck or SUV, it comes with tie downs. So you can make sure to secure it so it's not moving all over the place. It was very easy to assemble. There's just snaps on the bottom and the top of each of the sections and you just pop them out. What's cool though is if you only want to use 1 or 2 sections, you can just snap it back into place and just use that one compartment. If you want to be as organized as I am now and be able to find things quickly in your trunk, then I highly recommend this GEEDAR trunk organizer, and that's my point of view.